Alright, this is example 4, where you have to do the integration of parts more than once. Sine x can usually be anything, but x squared, algebra, usually you want it to be u. Okay, of course there are exceptions to that. The exceptions are when it's natural log or inverse trig, and most of the time we're not going to do inverse trig anyways, but you have to do natural log. Alright, so here, x squared sine x, I'm going to let, so this is a reminder, it's u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. Right, that's the form we have. I'm given the left side, I'm given u dv. So I'm going to let u equal the algebraic part, x squared, dv equal the trig part, sine x dx. Alright, so take the derivative of u. Oops. That's not a 1. I'm sorry, that is a 1. That's not a 2. Right? Take the derivative of x squared, you get 2x. Integrate sine, you're integrating this. Integral of sine is negative cosine. Make sure you get your signs, S-I-G-N, correct. Okay? Alright. Let's fill this in. So uv is x squared negative cosine x. So negative x squared cosine x minus v du. So that's going to be minus a negative, so it's plus 2x. I'm going to put the 2 out here. X cosine x dx. Okay? Now, I still have an algebraic expression with trig, so I still have to continue doing integration by parts. So, let's put that here. Negative x squared cosine x plus 2. And I'm going to use big brackets here. So now this is the new u dv. Right? I'm going to let u equal x and dv equal cosine x dx. So du equals dx and v equals sine x. Right? We're integrating that. Integral of cosine is sine. So now I am replacing this whole thing, the integral, with uv. So uv is x sine x minus v du. So it's sine x dx. Okay? Alright. I have to skip the space here. I should have written it over here on the left. Alright. So it's negative x squared cosine x plus 2. And I'm going to go ahead and distribute that. That'll be 2x sine x and minus 2 times the integral of sine. Right? Remember last time, the integral of sine was negative cosine. So it ends up becoming a plus cosine x plus c. Final answer. Alright, so that was doing integration by parts twice.